In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a scenario in Integromat. Scenarios let you automate tasks and connect different apps together, which can save you a lot of time and effort in your daily workflow. Once you're logged into your Integromat account, head over to your dashboard. From here, look for the button that says Create a New Scenario. You'll usually find it in the top right corner or inside your scenarios or team workspace. When you see it, simply click on it. As soon as you do that, Make.com will open a blank scenario canvas. Think of this canvas as your workspace. This is where you'll build your automation step by step. At first it may look empty, but that's because you haven't added any modules yet. Now, this is where the real setup begins. Click the big plus button in the middle of the canvas. This allows you to choose your first app or service, such as Gmail, Google Sheets, or many others. Each module you add represents one step in your workflow. You can then continue adding and connecting modules, almost like linking building blocks to create the exact automation you need. The great part is that everything is flexible. You can drag, rearrange and adjust modules anytime so your scenario grows with your needs. Once you've finished setting it up, simply save and run the scenario to watch your automation come to life. And that's it. You've now created your first scenario in Make.com. With a little practice, you'll be able to build powerful automations that streamline your work and boost productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.